What's up, my people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're just joining us, you are most welcome. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to lighten up your dark underarms. Now, I always check my underarms because I don't like to, wear sleeveless and raise my hand up, and my hand is going to be looking, my underhand, is going to be looking very dark and uneven. So I always check that. And when I check some of the ingredients I use, because I often change them, and this is one of them that I use to lighten up my dark underhands, and is very, very effective. So if you want to know what comprises of my treatment, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you would be notified when I upload a new video. If you have personal curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, and able to ask all of your questions on my website, the link will be at my comment section. And also check out for some natural ingredients on my website, the link at my comment section. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. Let's jump right into this video. We're going to be needing toothpaste, and white toothpaste is perfect on the skin because it removes blackheads, whitehead, it calms the skin, and it also helps to remove pimples and pigmentation. So Colgate will be preferably for this treatment. We're going to be needing a bowl, and we're going to be squeezing in a few Colgate paste. The next ingredient, baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda is a great exfoliator that helps exfoliate dead skin cells. It maintains even skin tone and balances the pH level of the skin, which makes the skin glowing and bright. It also helps to remove excessive oil, remove dark patches, treats pimples, dark spots, and it also removes dark underhands. We're going to be taking half tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda. The next ingredient, brown sugar. Since brown sugar has smaller granite particles, it's more gentle than white sugar and even salt, and it's going to be very perfect in scrubbing out dead skin cells. It helps to unclog pores, it rejuvenates the skin, makes the skin look shiny and younger, and it will also help to remove dark underhands. And we're going to be needing about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Alright, so not to waste, putting it inside. The next ingredient, rose water and glycerin. Rose water contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of an irritated skin. It gets rid of acne, dermatitis, and it also removes excessive oil from clogging the pores. It rejuvenates the skin, removes dead skin cells, which in turn help to leave your skin looking visible and bright. And it's going to be perfect in removing dark underhands. For the rose water, I'm going to be measuring out half tablespoon of rose water. Now I'm going to be stirring the ingredients all together. Now you have to mix this and mix very, very well, okay? Now when you mix it very fast like the way I'm doing, is going to be very, very thick because of the brown sugar. Alright, so our treatment is ready. So here's my treatment. Now, one thing I like to look after is my underhands, my knuckles, my elbow, and my knee, because I don't need those places to be dark. Alright, so this is how the treatment is going to be. It's going to be a little bit slimy. Alright, perfect. Perfect. So if yours is like this, it is perfect for use. Okay, so you're going to take a little bit of that and you're going to gently rub that through your hands. Now you're going to massage in a circular motion, just like I'm doing now. Okay, so alright, so I'm going to go wash this off and we're going to be repeating this, alright, because it's ideal you scrub it 2 times. Alright, so let me go wash this and let's see the improvements so far. Alright, so this is how it is now, and I'm going to be using that again for the 2nd time. Okay, I'm going to be scrubbing it for the 2nd time. And this particular one would help to, get rid of it. So once in a week, I just love to scrub my dark underhands, because of course I usually notice that I have, dark underhands sometimes. So the sugar in it helps, makes the scrub even, better. Alright, so I'm going to go wash it off and I'll be right back. Alright, so here's the second the second scrubbing, and this is how it is. Okay, perfect. Alright guys, so that's just a very simple step to lighten up your dark underhands using toothpaste and all natural ingredients, and this is really helping. It has been helping my life, saving my life from embarrassment, you know what I mean. So if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you're new, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, please ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also check out some natural ingredients on my website. The link at my comment section pinned down there. Alright, also visit my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.